something I want to try today. So I saw this thing called the woobles.
The wubbles?
On the internet a few weeks ago, and well, obviously I bought it. It's a crochet kit to make these adorable animals, but the kicker is you don't actually need to know how to crochet. You learn how to crochet with these animals. So that got me right there, especially just seeing the cute little accessories you can make. I feel like you guys will understand. The only thing that sucked was the price tag. I spent $95 US on animals, stuffed animals that are not even made. I have to make them. One kit and one single wooble. And in this kit, it came with all of these pieces, and it's pretty much a bee, and he's a busy bee because he's a firefighter, construction worker, policeman, pilot, a nurse, teacher, runs the freaking world, works in corporate America, and also has a child. So I saw that, and I was like, okay, I need that. The other thing I bought was the monkey because his name is Jack the monkey. Anyways, the Busy Bee set, $75 US, Jack, $25. And I bought this all with my money. It's not sponsored. So I'm gonna start with my Busy Bee one. It says all materials included. It even has all the tutorials, so I'm gonna see if it was worth spending all my money on this. I gotta say the yarn is really cute. So it pretty much comes with this kit. I'm assuming they're pretty similar. This one says instructions inside, which I think are video instructions because it is a beginner. What's his name? Cornelius. That's good marketing. Freaking give them a name and now you're attached. Oh, this is pretty cool. So when you get in here, you can actually do lefty righty, and then you can actually just get the pattern, or I think you could probably go through the whole steps by video. Yeah, the whole steps. Which, cause I already know how to crochet, I'm just gonna download the pattern. Yeah, it looks like that. Okay. No way. They started the pattern for me. I think my favorite thing so far, as it's starting to like form into a wooble, I do really like this yarn a lot more than the yarns I used when I did amigurumi. Well, this could be like a hat. We'll compare them afterwards. I guess the cool thing about this is that technically you get the patterns once you buy this, so you can make as many as you want afterwards. Obviously you don't have the yarn, but it's endless amount of bees you can make. You can have a full bee army in here. Just everywhere you look, there's like a tiny bee just everywhere. So we're just gonna take a quick break because today's video is sponsored by Skillshare. If you guys have not heard of Skillshare before, they are the largest online learning community for creatives. The range of topics they have on there is endless, from graphic design to drawing to any form of art, even crochet. With all their classes on demand, you can start and stop and take each class at your own pace. Skillshare classes are taught by industry pros, so they've definitely done this a few times, and there's also an amazing community there to kind of cheer you along. So Skillshare, they have these learning paths, and in these learning paths, they have multiple classes you can take in order to learn a new skill. For example, the one I'm doing right now is Start from Zero to Build a Winning Email Marketing Strategy. So personally, I'm starting to send out newsletters. I'm not saying I'm the best at this, but I've been going through this course and learning how to learn email marketing. Like, I don't know how to write an email very well. So if you guys want to try out Skillshare, be sure to use my link down below in the description, and the first 500 people to use that link will get a month free trial. Also, did I ever tell you that Jack is not very loyal? That if someone did come around and was like, took him, he'd be very happy. He would have forgotten about me, wouldn't even remember who I am. That's his new life. Wow. Interesting. So these eyes, you actually put in like a screw, which I have never done before. Sit. Oh, good boy. Oh my goodness, it's always a gamble when I ask him to sit if he's actually gonna sit. This is done. Kinda, not really. I still have to put all the details. Like, he has wings, he has antenna, he even has a little smile on there. So next, what it's telling me to do is the antennas with the white yarn. Done. Now I just gotta make one more. There's probably a special way you're supposed to sew these on, but as long as it looks similar to the photo, I think I'm good. Is that right? We did it. So first one kind of has my heart. I love it. And now I am just so excited to turn him into a construction worker. Let's get him out in the rain while also doing manual labor. This is way too small. I must have missed a step. Yeah, there's not enough stitches here. This is way too small. I'll just restart. Benson just chugged that whole water bowl. Did you hit the P now? First half is done. Okay, you guys ready to see him turn into a construction worker? Oh. But this makes me even more excited for the other ones, like the pilot, just because I feel like this one, a pilot B, I feel like that just makes sense. Excuse me, sir. You're a little loud. No, back here, back here. You sit on the table, you have to sit on here. Good boy. I was just about to finish my pilot hat, and then I realized I don't have enough yarn to finish it. I'm so excited to see what I got in my advent calendar today. This is the cutest bath bomb I've ever seen in my life. It's so cute. After I worked with Lush last month, they sent me this whole thing for December, an advent calendar. I've never had one like that. Anyways, update on my woobles. Got the hat done, got the briefcase done, construction hat, and now I'm just finishing off the policeman hat. And what I still have left, all of these. I have 6 more accessories and the monkey to go. It's day 2. I think the bundles are also for beginners, but honestly, if I gave this as a gift with 11 pieces to make, I don't know if anybody would finish them. Or at least, I don't think they'd finish them very fast. It would probably take them a year. Because I'm legit dedicating my whole day to just working on this. And I'm already day 2. I worked on it last night. I worked on it this morning. I put a few hours in so far. The next field Cornelius needs to embark on, becoming a nurse. Okay. Five more to go. Should I take a break from the accessories and make Jack? Come on in. I have finished all of them but these two. 2 left. I guess I should start with like the least exciting one for me. The firefight hat. Let's go. So, because I am just doing the written pattern because I know how to crochet and I don't really need to learn how to do all those steps, I briefly just went through the video tutorials and pretty decent. They do kind of mix and match where they're like working on the hat, but then they change colors and they're working on a different project and showing you the same steps. So it's not like you go ahead and you make this side by side with someone, but you know, it's all there so you can do it. Oh my goodness, look how cute he is. This actually might be my favorite. Probably not actually, but it's a close contender. Done. The last piece, I felt like this was gonna take forever. It did. Anyways, the apple. This should be the easiest one. It should be just a baby apple. Hopefully it's not like this ginormous apple. But then after I finish this one, we can do the fashion show of all the hats I made for my stuffed animals. For some reason, this right now was just reminding me of when Tom Daly, I think he did it for April Fools, where he made like a penis cover. I feel like that's what I'm making right now. This is a nice green. Jack. Another scrap brown. I just need a little brown. We're done. Are you guys ready for the fashion show? I have 2 models here to showcase all 10 things, accessories I made. I think there is 10. Anyways, we got 2. So our first model, Cornelius. I think that's his name. Next, Jack. But pretty much they're just gonna be showcasing all the hats I made, accessories. First, we're gonna start off very strong. I'm gonna show you my 2 favorite accessories I made and recommend. The pilot hat and the police hat. These 2 fit them incredibly. Like these 2 were made for them. So this is probably what they're gonna be wearing on a daily basis. Next, we have the firefighter hat, which I think he looks so cute. And we have Nurse Jack. Jack, stop. You're so noisy. 360. Next, we have Crown Jack, Queen Jack, King Jack, and Construction Cornelius. Next, we have the Baby Bee and Corporate Jack. And lastly, we have our Smarty Pants, okay? We have Teacher Jack and Librarian Cornelius. This one's my least favorite. That concludes our fashion show. Thank you for joining us. Overall, if you're a beginner, the bundle, at least the bundle I got, might be a little much. Unless you're planning to do it for like months, I wouldn't recommend getting a bundle right off the start. If you are a beginner, it's nice to get one thing, do this, see if you like it, then buy more, because there was a few times I wanted to stop and quit and be like, yeah, I don't really feel like doing this right now anymore after making like 7 hats. So maybe just start with 1. Next, I really enjoyed the patterns. It was really easy to make. I think they're really cute. I really like the yarn. All the supplies were great. So overall experience, amazing. I also think it'd be great for beginners because the videos looked really good. Even though I personally didn't use them, they looked really good. Next, this is my final thought. And I guess it's my only negative is the price. Yes. It is a little steep considering that one of these are 25 to 40 US and the bundle I got, I think it was 70 US on sale. But if you really look at it, it's teaching you step by step how to make it. It comes with great videos. It comes with all the supplies. You don't have to research. You don't have to do any of that if you're a beginner. It legit is all there. You have to pay a little bit for the convenience. And if we put in the scheme, $25 to $40 to learn how to crochet, not so bad if you're looking at it that way. It just depends what you value. I think they're great quality. If you can afford it, great. But again, I did spend $95 US on all this. When it came to my credit card in Canada, I think it was like almost $140. Anyways, that's it for me. I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video.